Welcome to a series of videos on the Woovebox, starting from ground zero. I am DJ Possum Meatwater from KMRD in Madrid, New Mexico, and I'm super excited. A week ago, I was able to finally place an order for my Woovebox, and here we are outside today. Got this package in the mail. I can't believe it made it all the way to New Mexico from Australia in 7 days. That's pretty incredible to me, and I'm excited to open it up and get started. I've watched some videos on it, but I really don't know the first thing about what's gonna happen when I try to start this thing up. I'm hoping I'm gonna be able to go through their getting started guide, which I hear is in the box here, and see if I can at least play some of their sample sounds before the end of this video. Let's see how it goes. So I love what they've done with simplifying their shipping by including this fantastic case with the device. And by doing that, they can just put the padded case in an envelope and send it across the ocean. Pretty unbelievable. I go dropping things. Yay! My sticker that's gonna go on the back of my black car, and any one of us who knows what it is going to be able to spot that from a distance. Pretty iconic little symbol. Alright. Boy oh boy. Let's see what I can figure out here. Oh, it's really sweet. It feels really nice. Alright, so the display says SG01 Global. Pretty sure that's Song 1 Global. Can I just play it and it'll play? Oh no, I can't do that, of course, because there's nothing plugged in. I have a little Bluetooth transmitter here and a little Bluetooth speaker. If I hit play now, will it play? Oh, am I going to have to look at the manual already? Turn up the volume, set the output, press play and turn the value knob. Volume 74. All right. Hold. Alright. So to play a song, press play. Press play once more to stop playing. 2. Switch to... Nope, I'm not going to be able to figure out how to play it that quickly. I'm going to have to go really read the manual. I'll be back.